Today I'm going to build some add-ons to my Kegerator, or Keezer if you will, to make it so it could be a standalone Kegerator. My Kegerator accessories, the new ones I just built. My regulator will attach to CO2 and then run into the Kegerator, which the Kegerator will have a coupler, pump CO2 into the keg, beer out, come to this connection, and then beer will pump out here. Got the standalone hookup all put together and attached to the Keezer. If you watched the building a Keezer episode, which only like 16 of you did, so you know that it has a shallow or low profile coupler on the keg, coming out those two hoses, hooked to the CO2, hooked to a regular valve. It's already pressurized. Let's see if it works. It was way over pressurized. Probably around 20 psi. Figured out the foaming issue. I just had too much pressure. I had to dial it down to about 12 psi. I still have that little restriction in there with the quick disconnect on the beer side, but I got decent beer, and beer is proof that God wants us to be happy. That was said by somebody. It was either Jesus, The Rock, or Benjamin Franklin. Don't remember which.